Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So students, in our previous class we have discussed quadratic equation, and in this session we are now going to discuss the solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss solution of a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, so first know what is the meaning of solution. Okay, so we know the general form of a quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the general form or standard form of a quadratic equation. So what is the meaning of solution? See, the meaning of solution means we have to find such values of x. We have to find such values of x for which this equation is satisfied. That is, LHS becomes RHS. Okay, that value of x is called solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, so let me again tell you what is solution. Solution means those values of x for which the quadratic equation is satisfied. That is, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so we can solve a quadratic equation by three methods, okay, which are given in your NCERT book. The first one is by factorization method. First one is by factorization method. Okay, this method you know in your earlier classes. Okay, this is also known as splitting the middle term. Then second one is by completing the square. By completing the square. Then third one is by quadratic formula. By quadratic formula. Okay, so these two methods are new for you, but this method is not new. Okay, so let me discuss one by one. So first we'll discuss about this factorization method in this video. Okay, so one is factorization method. See how we can solve a given equation by this method. Let us take an example of, let the equation is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic equation and it is given solve this equation by factorization method. Okay, so there are some steps which are described now. First, we have to multiply the first term with the last term. Okay, so we have to multiply these two terms. So it becomes x square into minus 10. This is minus 10x square. Okay, then second step is we have to now split this middle term, that is minus 3x, in such a way that if we add or subtract, then we should get minus 3x, and if we multiply both the two numbers, then we have to get minus 10x square. Okay, see, minus 3x can be for so many ways. Okay, so minus 2x minus x, see, minus 2x minus x is equal to minus 3x, but the multiplication of minus 2x into minus x, this is 2x square, not minus 10x square. Okay, so we cannot take this value. Okay, so we cannot take this value. So what we can now take, let us take, this cannot be taken. Okay, let minus 5x plus 2x, see, minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x. Okay, if we solve this, then we get minus 3x, and if we multiply these two terms, that is minus 5x into 2x, this will be minus 10x square. Okay, so we have to take this value. Okay, so now we can write x square, instead of minus 3x we can write minus 5x plus 2x, then it is minus 10, it is written as it is. Then now in this step we have to take one things common from the first two terms and another things from the next two. See, what is there in the first two? It is x. So if we take x, see, x square means x into x. Okay, if we take one x common, then there is another x. Okay, so if now we take x common from minus 5x, then there will be minus 5. Similarly, we can take 2x common, this will be x minus 5. Okay, see, now x minus 5, x minus 5 is common, so we can take x minus 5 as common, so it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now see how this will be 0. Maybe this 0, this term may be 0, or maybe this term is 0. So we have to take both the terms to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this will be x is equal to 5, or x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is our answer, 5 minus 2. Okay, now take another example. Suppose another equation is 2x square plus x minus 6, this is equal to 0. See, we have to apply those steps which we have discussed earlier. Now we have to multiply the first term with the last, that is 2x square into minus 6, this will be minus 12x square. And now we have to split this x in such a way that if we add or subtract, then we get plus x, and if we multiply the two terms, then we get minus 12x square. Okay, so let us see how we can do. Okay, so let 4x minus 3x. See, if we subtract 4x minus 3x, then it will be x. Okay, this is satisfied. Then if we multiply these two terms, then also we get minus 12xx square. Okay, so we can take these two numbers. So now 2x square plus we can write 4x minus 3x instead of x, then minus 6, this is equal to 0. Now we have to take one thing common. See what is common? 2x. If we take 2x as common, then it will be x plus 2. And in these two terms, there will be 2 as common. So this is x plus 2. Now we can take x plus 2 as common. Then this is, this is 3. Okay. 3, this is 2. Now 2x minus 3, this is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 2, or 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is our answer. Our answer is minus 2, 3 by 2. Okay, one is known as alpha and another known as beta. Alpha and beta are called solutions or roots of that equation. Okay, now let us see a number of your exercise 4.2, which is 3. Okay, which is a word problem. See, what is the question? Find two numbers whose sum is 27, and product is 181. Okay, so we have to find two numbers whose sum is 27. That is, if we add the two, we get 27, and if we multiply, we get 182. Okay, so in this case, we have to take one number as x. Okay, many times students take another number as y. Okay, so you should not take x and y. One variable is necessary. Okay, not two variables. So let one number is x. So another number will be how much? This is 27 minus x, because it is given the addition of two numbers is 27. Okay, so if we add these two numbers, x plus 27 minus x, this is 27. So according to the question, we are going, and according to the question at TQ, multiplication of these two numbers, x into 27 minus x, this is 182. Okay, now this is multiplied with 27 and with x, so 27x minus x square is equal to 182. And if you take these two terms to this side, the sign changed, so x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this is a quadratic equation, and we have to solve this equation by factorization method. Okay, so we have to multiply these two terms, x square into 182, this is 182x square, and splits minus 27. See how can we do so? Minus 27x can be written as minus 14x minus 13x. Okay, because if we add these two terms, this will be minus 27x, and if we multiply, this will be 182. Okay, so let us now take x as common. This will be x minus 14, and 13 as common, minus 13 as common. This will be x minus 14. This is equal to 0. Now x minus 14 will be taken as common. This will be x minus 13. So x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. Okay, this is the answer. X is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. Okay, so the two numbers will be 13. See, the two numbers are, one is 14. Okay, then another one is how much? 27 minus x. So another one will be 27 minus 14. This will be 13. Okay, so this is our answer, 14 and 13. Hope you understand this problem. Okay, so in our next class we will discuss the another method, that is completing the square. Okay, which is very much important. So thank you.